Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Sigmund. I'd like to talk to you today about a new surgical treatment for chronic sinus disease. As many of you may know, the sinuses are in our head. They're a series of interconnected, hollow spaces in the skull. They're there to ventilate and humidify and filter our environment. Their walls are lined with mucus-secreting membranes, and in fact, we call it a mucous membrane. There are small hairs within the lining of the mucous membrane that sweep the mucuses out of the sinuses so it can drain out through your nose, and even sometimes down the back of our throat. These mucous membranes can become infected, and when they do, those mucous membranes get thickened and swollen and inflamed, and they can block the natural openings into the sinus passageways that prevent fluid from draining out. Buildup of these fluids in the sinuses are what cause the symptoms of sinusitis of pressure and pain, and doctors call this sinusitis. Acute sinusitis comes on quickly and then often leaves after a simple treatment with antibiotics. But those patients who have chronic sinusitis have symptoms virtually all the time, symptoms of congestion and facial pressure, sometimes even headache. And despite treatment with antibiotics and watchful waiting, they tend to continue to feel poorly. Severe sinusitis may require surgical opening of the passageways if all medical treatments fail. And traditionally, this has been done with rigid steel instruments, removing tissue to create openings within the sinuses to help fluid drain. And oftentimes, this involves removal of tissue and even removal of bone. However, recently, a new, less invasive technology called Balloon Sinuplasty has been introduced to treat patients in a less invasive manner. Using this technology, a balloon catheter is delivered up into the blocked passageways, and that catheter is then expanded gently to open the natural openings into the sinuses. This is less traumatic to the tissues around the sinuses, but is equally effective at draining the sinuses and providing pressure relief and pain relief. Here in Oklahoma, many of us suffer with allergy and sinus-related problems. If you or anyone you know suffers from chronic sinus pain or pressure or nasal congestion or the things that we've talked about in this video, then give us a call and we'll be happy to visit with you and see if we can get you onto the road to recovery.